Looking to enhance your productivity through AI? With a wide range of AI productivity tools at your disposal, businesses can gain a competitive advantage by leveraging features like predictive analytics and natural language processing. In this video, we will explore the top 5 AI productivity tools currently on the market. Make sure to subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 5. Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is a game-changing platform that is driven by artificial intelligence that revolutionizes the way creative apps from Adobe, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro, are used. This cutting-edge platform enables users to automate a variety of processes by drawing on the capabilities of artificial intelligence, which in turn results in increased productivity and efficiency. The complex capabilities it offers, such as automatic insights, content-aware fill, and a picture identification, enhance the creative experience by incorporating artificial intelligence into the creative workflow in a way that is seamless and does not impede the artistic process. As a consequence of this, Adobe Sensei opens up unfathomable doors of opportunity for artists and designers, enlarging the scope of their creative potential and extending their creative horizons. Number 4. Hemingway. Hemingway is a powerful online AI writing tool that makes the material more comprehensible and simpler to read. This program uses the power of artificial intelligence to carefully check through the text that you provide and proposes methods to make sentences simpler to comprehend, get rid of extraneous words, and improve the general structure of the writing. It does all of this by analyzing the text and making suggestions based on what it finds. Hemingway also provides a readability score, which enables authors to determine whether or not their text is effective for the audience they had in mind while writing it. It is not difficult to access Hemingway regardless of whether you are using web software or a PC application. Its primary purpose is to assist authors in the production of engaging content that is not only entertaining, but also simple for readers to grasp. Number 3. Otter AI. Otter is a platform that uses advanced artificial intelligence to correctly transcribe audio and video recordings. This powerful tool is very helpful in many situations, like talks, interviews, and educational classes. Otter's real-time transcription tool is one of its best parts. It lets users get accurate transcripts of their recordings right away. This feature makes it much easier to find the information you need in the texts. Otter AI is good at writing, but it also has a lot of useful tools that make the user experience better. You can highlight important parts, make notes, and share material easily with these tools. Not only are these features useful for personal use, but they are also very useful in business settings. Otter is a great way to get important information, keep detailed meeting minutes, and even create AI-driven content because it is flexible and works well. Number 2. Grammarly. Grammarly is a popular app that checks for spelling mistakes and looks at how sentences are put together. This app helps people follow grammatical rules and guidelines by using a very complex AI algorithm. But Grammarly can do more than just check your spelling. It can also analyze the tone of your writing and tell you whether you sound formal, confident, or friendly. If you pay for Grammarly, you can get even more out of it. It will suggest full rewrites, making sure that your text is clear, concise, and very interesting. Grammarly is easy to use because it can be used as both a web app and a browser plugin. It can be used anywhere there is a text box and a keyboard. Its flexibility makes it easy for people to use Grammarly in their writing process, no matter what tool they are using. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an astonishing artificial intelligence language model that was built by OpenAI. It taps into the potential of powerful deep learning algorithms to grasp human inquiries and provide responses to those inquiries. Its talents are not limited to a single function because it demonstrates excellence in a variety of fields of endeavor. Notably, ChatGPT is exceptional in translating languages, producing high-quality content, and improving the overall quality of customer service encounters. Users are given the ability to capitalize on the promise of natural language processing across a variety of domains thanks to the versatile structure of ChatGPT. ChatGPT emerges as an indispensable instrument for maximizing the benefits of AI-driven communication as a result of its seamless adaptability and outstanding performance in a variety of sectors. That's all for today. Which one of these is your favorite tool? Tell us in the comment section now. Give this video a big thumbs up and follow us for more amazing AI tools. Thank you.